Welcome back. Very few people understand and talk about the fact that the slow functioning of eyes and brain after the age of 60 is not only the results of aging, but it seems from the small yet troublesome changes occurring in daily life. For example, waking up in the morning and experiencing blurry vision, taking 10 or more minutes to clearly see objects, entering a room and forgetting why you came inside, or experiencing burning dryness and heaviness in the brain after just a few minutes of looking at a mobile phone or screen. These issues are genuine, and dismissing them as mere signs of aging is incorrect. According to research, nearly 92% of individuals over the age of 65 have a severe deficiency of at least one essential nutrient, which is crucial for the repair and restoration of the eyes and brain during sleep at night. The direct implication of this is that every night, when the body seeks to improve memory and provide rest and rejuvenation to the eyes, it does not receive the necessary nutrients. Therefore, today we are discussing natural juices that are excellent for eyes and brain health. So let's not delay and learn about their full details. Number 1. Carrot juice. Often forgotten yet very beneficial juice is carrot juice, which directly provides nutrients to the eyes and brain. The beta carotene found in carrots gets converted into vitamin A within the body, which strengthens the sensitive and essential cells of the retina needed for low light vision. A lack of vitamin A leads to night blindness, blurry vision, and dry eyes, conditions frequently experienced by older people. Additionally, this vitamin supports part of the brain responsible for memory, attention, and concentration. Hence, carrot juice is not only good for eye health but also provides natural energy and freshness to the brain at night. But that's only half the story. Carrot juice also contains two very important natural components called lutein and zeaxanthin, which protects the part of the eye known as macula. The macula is responsible for clear and sharp vision. These substances not only prevent further damage but also help the eyes recover from oxidative stress caused by prolonged exposure to mobile, TV, and computer screens, as well as intense ultraviolet lights from the sun. As for the brain, carrot juice contains a natural compound called fulcarinol, which protects the membranes of the brain cells and reduces brain inflammation. According to a 2021 study, individuals over the age of 65 who regularly consumed beta carotene rich juice showed significant improvements in memory, workability, and recall, especially in those exhibiting early signs of mental decline. The same study noted that participants who drank 250 milliliter of carrot juice every morning for 8 weeks experienced a 13% improvement in their ability to recall things. This benefit is invaluable for everyday life. And now, the real secret. Carrot juice is best absorbed when paired with a small amount of healthy fat, such as a tablespoon of olive oil or a few walnuts, which provide additional benefits. So, if you want to include carrot juice in your daily routine, the best way to prepare fresh juice every morning. Use 4 to 5 medium-sized peeled carrots and juice them. Add a small slice of ginger and a few drops of lemon. And most importantly, drink it with your breakfast. When the body receives the right nutrition, the eyes naturally feel better, the brain becomes more alert, and you feel more energetic throughout the day. Number 2, beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is a natural drink that is extremely beneficial for the brain and eyes, especially for those experiencing brain fog, weak memory, or eye fatigue. Adults over 60 years old often overlook blood flow, but it is very important because the brain and eyes rely on oxygen and essential nutrients. Beetroot contains dietary nitrates that once inside the body convert into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a natural molecule that relaxes blood vessels, a process called vasodilation. When blood vessels expand, more oxygen and nutrient-rich blood reaches the brain and eyes, which is essential for their recovery and nourishment day and night. According to a 2020 study, adults over 60 who drank beetroot juice daily experienced improved blood flow to their brains, particularly in the frontal lobe, which is responsible for focus, decision making, and short term memory. In just 4 weeks, their reaction time improved and their focus became sharper. For the eyes, nitric oxide is also crucial as it can enhance retinal blood vessels and reduce the risk of age related macular degeneration. It also reduces oxidative stress and maintains retinal thickness. The effects of beetroot juice are rapid as nitric oxide production begins within just 30 minutes. This means that after drinking a small glass, you will immediately notice improved mental clarity, better vision, and enhanced blood circulation. It is very easy to prepare. Peel a medium-sized raw beetroot and blend it with a bit of apple or an orange to make juice. The best time to drink it is between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m., during the time when energy and mental clarity usually drops. You can also drink it while taking a walk to optimize blood circulation. Number 3, blueberry juice. Blueberries are one of the most powerful antioxidant fruits in the world, and their juice is highly rejuvenating for the brain and eyes. The anthocyanin found in blueberries not only reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, but also aid in the formation of new neurons in the brain, which means they strengthen brain cells. According to the Journal of Gerontology Series A, in 2020, elderly individuals who drank wild blueberry juice for 12 weeks showed significant improvements in memory processing speed and brain activity. Blueberry juice is also highly beneficial for the eyes. The anthocyanin protects retinal ganglion cells, which play a role in transmitting visual signals from the eye to the brain. According to a 2019 study published in Molecular Vision, older adults who consumed blueberry extract daily experienced reduction to their eye structures and reduced oxidative stress. The best time to drink blueberry juice is 90 minutes before bedtime, as this is when the brain begins its nighttime repair cycle and can immediately utilize the nutrients. Blend 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries with a bit of water or half a banana and drink it. Number 4, spinach juice. Spinach juice is one of the most overlooked foods in the world that is extremely beneficial for the brain and eyes. Spinach contains lutein and zeaxanthin, which are directly accumulated in the central part of the eye known as the macula. This area is responsible for clear, detailed, and precise vision. As one ages, the level of protective pigment decreases. When this happens, the macula becomes more sensitive to oxidative stress, UV light from the sun, and inflammation, resulting in blurred vision and issues such as macular degeneration. However, spinach juice not only provides protection but also aids in functional repair. According to research in 2020 by the Nutrients Journal, the lutein and zeaxanthin from green vegetables, which increased in the blood, improved contrast sensitivity and processing speed in older individuals. This not only enhances vision but also speeds up the brain's ability to process visual stimuli. Regarding the brain, spinach contains folate, an essential component of vitamin B group, which helps in producing neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. These neurotransmitters maintain mood, focus, and emotional balance. More importantly, folate regulates homocysteine levels in the blood. Excessive homocysteine can damage brain cells. In a 2018 study conducted by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, it was found that older individuals with folate deficiency exhibited poor memory and focus. After addressing this deficiency, significant improvement in mental abilities were observed. Spinach is also rich in vitamin K, which strengthens the membranes of brain cells and assists in production of myelin sheath, the protective layer of neurons that speeds up nerve signals. The antioxidants, anti-inflammatory components, and essential vitamins in spinach protect and re-energize once dormant neural pathways. However, it is important to note that spinach also contains oxalates, which can inhibit calcium absorption when consumed in excess and may not be suitable for individuals with kidney conditions. Therefore, it is necessary to consume it with caution. Take a handful of raw spinach, mix it with a green apple or half a cucumber to enhance its flavor. Make the juice fresh and drink it before lunch or mid-morning, when the stomach is not too full or too empty. Even a small glass can result in sharper vision and a fresher mind. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to watch more. Have a nice day.